Hi guys, Martians. A guy, Mark, who if I'd be Mark, I would have been thinking कि यार भाई मैं तो मर ही जाऊंगा. How I'm gonna survive in the space when I know that and in the next 4 years there is no mission Mars plan. But yes, so there are things that we need to learn from the movie, that no matter what the situation is, you always have to believe yourself, work with the resources available, put on your best, and you'll be succeeding. So few of the learnings from the movie. First learning I've written is present is everything. You need to focus on the moment no matter what. So when this situation is so hopeless that I know I'm not going to survive, there are thoughts running in my mind, I'm not going to survive. Still, having that hope in yourself, putting all the efforts, and while using all the things that you have currently with you, and making it happen, it's quite a good learning for me, that no matter what, you need to work on your movement. You should not think about future, what's going to happen. All you need to do is you need to put on your effort in the moment that you have right now. My second learning is, sometimes we think that while putting on the efforts, what I'm gonna learn with that, what's the net outcome with that. Say for example, while making the videos and all, few people must be thinking that what's the net outcome out of that. So if you see Mark, he was not at all sure that he'll be able to connect to the people on the earth, but anyway he has tried. So same goes with us also. No matter what, we need to try. We need to put on the efforts. Let's see what the result will be. Just be optimist and put on your efforts. Keep on putting your efforts. That's the thing. Second thing I have learned. Third is the, see, sometimes we crave that अगर मेरे को ये काम करना है तो I need this thing. If I need to do this thing, then no. You need to do with the available resources at times. Being in a spaceship and on the Mars, if I'll crave for things कि मेरे को यहाँ से ये मिल जाएगा, it's not possible. So I have to repair. The way he has repaired the radio, and he's got to know that he has got the food of 300 days using that. Also, there was a solar cell kind of a thing that he has repaired. Though he was an engineer, we ourselves in our lives are engineers, and the resources available around us, we can probably work out with them also. It is never always possible to get all the resources that you want. At times you need to work with the things that you currently have around you and make the best possible out of it. This was the second learning. Third learning. My fourth learning is always that we are discussing, keep on discussing since day one. Always have a goal, even though situation was very uncertain. As I'm keep on telling you that he was not very sure that he'll be able to make connect with the people on the earth, and also if after 4 years there will be mission Mars. He was not sure about the situation, whether it is going to be land on the same position or not. But still, he thought कि I'll be doing it. So he has kind of a plan in his mind. Always have a point. Always have a goal in your mind. Uh, we can never forget that moment when his heard the voice from Earth, that it is just 2 years from now on. The kind of feelings that somebody can have at that particular moment. Yes, so always have a plan, work for it, be optimist. And my fifth, the most important, or you can say it's the moral of the story: don't give up, never give up. So even if the situation is worst, at times it happens. It happened with Mark also. It happened with us also. Ki sometimes we are doing progress, but even after the progress, you'll knock down this situation, the destiny, or you say or circumstances will knock you down. But the thing is, you need to be optimist. You need to have that never give up attitude in you. So these are the 5 learnings from the movie. Thank you.